At the top of the newscast, we told you Indiana's near-total abortion ban goes into effect at midnight. Now we're digging into the impact it could have on people choosing to live and work here.
Those concerns have been raised by the Indy Chamber, Eli Lilly, and the Associate Dean of the IU School of Medicine. Our team coverage continues now with WRTV's Cornelius Hocker.
We wanted to know how students studying in the state's capital feel about the new abortion law. I met two women here at IUPUI on both sides of the issue.
Like the political climate here, it doesn't align with my views very much. Upset, kind of sad too, but mostly scared.
Scared because of?
Just because I feel like I'm inferior now.
And the other is happy to be in a state with what she says are reasonable restrictions on abortion.
Then that single cell of life in us is still life. I'm not saying that the mother doesn't have any rights to her own body, but that's when you gotta consider it's not just hers anymore. It's just the right thing. I don't know what else, there's nothing else I can say. It's just the right thing.
While I came here thinking I'd find students who felt passionately about this new law one way or another, I found something else. I talked to a woman who had an abortion 3 months ago. I'm just the fourth person she's told this to, and she says more people need to hear from those who've had an abortion. However, because of the sensitive nature of this topic, she didn't want her face shown. Here's what she had to say about getting an abortion.
It's a topic no one talks about, and even for me, I had an abortion 3 months ago, and I don't know anybody, and it's very hard. Only 3 people know about it, and I even feel like I can't even talk about it. And even if you're not trying to get pregnant, you may accidentally get pregnant. Even if you're on birth control, anything can happen, and I don't think it should only be limited to crazy situation.
That healthcare worker told me that she's wanted to be a mom since she was a little girl, but it just wasn't the right time. However, not being the right time won't be reason enough come midnight to get an abortion here in Indiana. The procedure will only be allowed in cases of rape, incest, or if continuing the pregnancy is life-threatening. At IUPUI, Cornelius Hocker, WRTV.